In this video, we'll learn the characters だじずでど. To review, what is this character? た. Ta with the duct end is pronounced da. Da. Eda. Eda. Daigaku. Daigaku. Daisuki. Daisuki. What is this character? Chi. Chi with the duct end is pronounced ji. Ji. Note that chi with the duct end is pronounced the same as shi with the duct end. Ji. There are very few words in Japanese that use the chi with the duct end. Chikajika. Chikajika. What is this character? Tsu. Tsu with the duct end is pronounced zu. Zu. Note that tsu with the duct end is pronounced the same as su with the duct end. Zu. There are very few words in Japanese that use a tsu with the duct end. Tsuzuku. Tsuzuku. What is this character? Te. Te with the duct end is pronounced de. De. Ude. Ude. Deguchi. Deguchi. Odeko. Odeko. What is this character? To. To with the duct end is pronounced do. Do. Jidou. Jidou. Doukutsu. Doukutsu. Kado. Kado. We learned the characters da, ji, zu, de, do. In the next lesson, we'll go over the characters na, ni, nu, ne, no. See you in the next video.